Looking for a PC case that blends modern design with powerful cooling? This case delivers just that, featuring a contemporary angular design that not only looks sharp but also optimizes airflow through a direct path layout. That means your system stays cooler, even under heavy load. What sets this case apart is its focus on airflow. The direct path layout channels massive amounts of air straight through your components, helping prevent overheating and ensuring consistent performance. If you're running demanding software or gaming for hours, this cooling approach really makes a difference. Beyond performance, the case brings your build to life with 3 RGB LED fans. Each fan features 6 customizable LEDs, letting you tailor the lighting to match your style or mood. Whether you want subtle glows or vibrant color cycles, you have full control over the ambiance. The front panel adds a unique touch with its dark, angular accents. When the RGB lights activate, these accents turn transparent, creating a captivating window into your system's inner workings. It's a design detail that elevates your setup from ordinary to eye-catching. Showcasing your components is effortless thanks to the frameless tempered glass side panel. This crystal-clear window offers an unobstructed view of your build, letting you highlight your hardware and cable management with pride. It's the perfect way to display your investment. Cable management gets a boost with the full-length PSU cover. This smart feature hides your power supply and messy cables out of sight, making it easier than ever to create a clean, professional-looking build. Less clutter means better airflow and a more polished appearance. Users from across the United States have praised this case for its aesthetics and ease of use. One reviewer noted it's a great-looking case that pairs perfectly with an all-in-one AIO cooler to keep temperatures in check. This combination ensures your system runs smoothly without sacrificing style. Building inside this case is straightforward, even for those new to PC assembly. The spacious interior and thoughtful layout simplify component installation and upgrades, saving you time and frustration. It's designed to make your build experience enjoyable from start to finish. If you're someone who values both form and function, this case offers the best of both worlds. The angular design and RGB lighting create a striking look, while the airflow-focused layout keeps your hardware safe and efficient. It's a case that works as hard as you do. Imagine your gaming rig or workstation glowing with custom lighting, running cool even during intense sessions. That's the kind of performance and style this case delivers. It's not just about looks, it's about protecting your investment and maximizing your PC's potential. Ready to upgrade your setup? This case makes it easy to create a clean, cool, and visually stunning build. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or enthusiast, it offers the features you need to stand out and perform at your best. Worth a look if you want a case that balances impressive cooling with a sleek, modern aesthetic. The combination of direct airflow, vibrant RGB fans, and a tempered glass window makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about their PC. Take control of your build's appearance and temperature with this thoughtfully designed case. It's more than just a shell, it's a platform that supports your hardware and highlights your style in equal measure. If that's you, this PC case is ready to deliver. Its smart airflow design ensures your components stay cool, while the customizable lighting and clear side panel let your system shine. Try it when you're ready to elevate your build. In summary, this PC case combines contemporary design with practical features that matter. Massive airflow keeps your system cool, while RGB lighting and a transparent side panel showcase your setup beautifully. It's a case designed to impress and perform. Don't settle for a case that just holds your parts. Choose one that enhances your entire experience, from installation to daily use. This case offers clean cable management, easy building, and eye-catching style in one package. Join the many users who have found this case both beautiful and functional. With a few simple steps, you can transform your PC into a centerpiece that runs cool and looks great. Explore what this case can do for your build and see why it's a favorite among enthusiasts. When you want a case that combines style, cooling, and convenience, this is the choice that delivers.